Hi, welcome to Brenda's Crafting. On today's video, we're going to do lamps and mugs from the Dollar Tree. Okay, we are starting with the basket and we're going to make this a hanging lamp. I really love how this turned out. It's very simple. I'm just taking off the handles. This is a basket that I already had on hand, but you can find these baskets at the Dollar Tree. This DIY only costs $3, so it's really simple. All I'm doing is I took off the handles and now I'm going to open it up. I'm making sure I pull out the little tag and I just turn on the little light and there it is. It is so cute. It's a nice soft light. Now I'm going to get the rope to hang it from, I'm in my garage, so I'm just going to hang it from my garage door opener, which I don't use on that one side, so it's not going to affect me, but this could be hung anywhere in your house. This is so cute. It's so modern. I do love how this turned out. I'm just stringing through the rope, and then you can find it in the hardware section. It's the really tiny rope. It looks almost like shoestring rope, but it's really tiny rope, and I'm just going to hang it. It's so simple to do this DIY, and I just measured out about 24 inches, and there it is. It is so cute. And here are the final results. It's so beautiful. It's so cute. I love it. It's like a little chandelier in my garage. I just love how they turned out. I love this DIY. I'm so excited to see what other projects I can do with these little lights in the next coming videos. Okay, this is my mugs, and this is great for Valentine's. You can have your kids decorate it for Mother's Day. This is just a fun project to do because you're taking just an ordinary marker and you're going to make it permanent on your mugs. This is just a gift I wanted to do for my hubby for Valentine's Day. And this is the scripture, love is patient, love is kind. So on here, I'm writing it out. So on each part of the mug, I'm writing love is patient. On the other mug, I'm writing love is kind. And then I'm writing again, it does not envy. And then I wrote, it does not boast. It is not proud. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always preserves. Love never fails. So I wrote that scripture on the mugs and between the two of them, and so that way you have to put the two mugs together to complete the scripture. And so that's what I decided, and I will show you here soon how you can seal these and make them permanent. I do love this idea of with the mugs of you can separate them, you can make this funny, you can make it like Mr. and Mrs. You can get so creative with these mugs. You can say we're like peanut butter and jelly, we go together. There's just so many ideas out there on what you can do with these mugs, and especially when you pair them together to make them like a set. Or you can get creative and you can give each other's nicknames. There's just so many ideas with this. So this is just what I did, but you can get creative with yours, and you can even have your kids do it. It's just a fun project to do, and I'll probably do more of these in the future just because I just like this idea so much. Okay, this is the back side of the same mug, and so I just decided to make it really simple and just write love one another. So one it says love, and then I put the other one another. So this is just ideas that I was just doing for Valentine's Day, but you can do whatever you like to do. But this is what I did for mine. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some little details and draw a heart on it, and some little S curls, swirls to it, just to make it a little fancy. You can also use color markers or use color Sharpies, that's what I should say. Color Sharpies, make sure you're using a Sharpie kind of pen for this project. And now you're going to see here in just a second how we're going to seal them. Okay, to seal your permanent markers, you will put them back into the oven. Yep, that's right. You're just going to put it for 350 in the oven for 30 minutes. And then after that, your marker will not smear. You can wash it, you can put it in the dishwasher, you can do everything. See, so this is I put 30 minutes, but I started recording at 29 minutes. Put it in the oven, and there you go. It's sealed. These were just great projects that I really enjoyed doing. This is how the black one turned out, but I went with the gold in the end. Just wanted to show it to you. But I love all these projects, and thanks, and come by and see me again.